All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Packy, and my girlfriend Madison here. We are doing a really fun challenge where we're gonna use the bumpers every single shot. So PBA Pro versus somewhat of an amateur, using the bumpers every single shot. The rules are if you don't use the bumpers, it's zero no matter what. Obviously, I don't want to throw my 15-pound equipment because I don't want to damage the bumpers or damage anything else on the lane. So we're using some house balls, some lighter weights. That way we can keep everything clean and safe. So don't try this at home. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get to the video. Did you start it yet? Because this is going to be a strike. Okay, good. Just want to make sure that you get that strike in there. Good luck. We just warmed up for a full game and none of us struck, so. What can I say? The lights come on, I just get better.
Sure.
Wow, that was pretty good. That was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie.
Whatever.
Oh.
I was struck though.
That would have struck. Double bumpy. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like your strategy better of going off the opposite.
Well, don't take it.
Off of the opposite bumper. Ay. It's a hard spare. It's a hard spare. Got any tips for me?
Miss it.
Miss it on purpose. I think this one's a double bumper kind of shot. Oh! Well, I missed it. I should have gone for maximum count.
Zero.
Really really maximize my count on that strike there. For a second, I thought I was going to shoot a 200 game.
Oh.
Hey.
Not what I wanted. Are you kidding me?
Same spot. Too consistent.
Too consistent. Not the consistency I need.
I'm off to an early lead here. Go get him next time. Oh! Did the same thing as you. A little too quick out to the bumper there. This doesn't feel right. Oh boy, double bumper. I don't mind it. Double bumper again.
I don't want a high five, go.
Oh!
I was hoping you missed it.
You was hoping I missed the bumper altogether?
Yeah.
I thought I did miss the bumper altogether. Just saying.
Can I phone a friend? Help me.
Help! Okay. Okay. Can make that. My thumb doesn't fit in this? Not very well. Okay.
Wow.
Can we count that?
No.
Please?
No.
It says spare though.
Spare.
I just knew, like, in the depths of my soul that that was a make. Double bumpy, whole gutter.
Yo, this game.
You gotta aim further down lane. No, it's close.
Over here.
tried to use your opposite bumper strategy, and it bounced off the bumper, and then it hooked right back the same direction. I don't like that. Also, my fingers are on fire.
Why?
Because I'm just like this. I'm like this in the ball. Squeeze! All right, and as always, don't forget, guys, subscribe to the channel because we are giving away a Darren Tang signed gem right here at 70,000 subscribers. So make sure, click that subscribe button down below, and don't try this at home.
All right, strike right here.
Need it!
Really, I do.
Well, that's money. Okay, so here's the thing though. You could use the bumper and the 10-pound ball to get you some help. Yes. All right, time to strike. It's all about the heater.
Well, what'd you hook it like that for?
I was trying to like bumper, hook into it. My strategy is weak. Yes.
I call one right here. Just one.
You think you're gonna get one? Which
Yeah.
one? Which one if you had to call out a certain one?
Probably the 3-pin.
The 3-pin? Off the left bumper? I highly doubt it. Oh, off the right bumper? Oh!
Go! I called it.
That moment will be saved on YouTube forever. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Not gonna lie, I've been practicing. You're going for the 2-pin by itself again, or the 3-pin by itself again, weren't you?
No, wrong angle, wrong angle. I just like eyeball it, you know? This looks about right.
This feels close.
I was about here. Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you, more double bumpies. Ow.
Yeah.
30, 60, 30, 60. I can shoot a $150 here on the punch out. Maybe a little bit more rotation off my last one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that worked really well.
Yeah, I look great.
Thought I touched it.
Right bumper, this is gonna be easy.
All you need is a spare here. Spare here, you're right back in
Yeah,
the game.
because a spare's in my future. Got a spare. 2 zeros. That's not it. You didn't try to get the 0.
I tried to go 0 in the gutter.
Just up the lane.
Up and at him.
Up the lane.
Spare shooter.
Yes.
Is that what you wanted?
I wish you would have done that every frame, but Yes.
Why? Because the motto of two-handed bowling. It's just easier.
Just easier.
Oh, okay.
That was it. Two-handed.
Okay, two-handed. That's just.
Two-handed.
It's just. Why? Because it's just easier. Please strike.
What was I doing?
It's just easier.
It's easier.
Well, a lesson learned for next time. Two-handed bowling. You all should switch because it's just easier. Thank you guys for sticking all the way along to the end of the video. As you saw, I got my first win against Madison on the channel. Ha ha ha. Thank you guys for sticking around. Until the next one. Do you have anything you want to say?
I'm the true winner, honestly.
Madison's the true winner because of that 3-pin.